While the entire Western world was fixated on whether TikTok would get banned, ByteDance was quietly building something far more dangerous to the global tech order, an AI empire that makes their viral dance app look like child's play. And here's the kicker. Most people outside China have never heard of their most powerful weapons. We're talking about a company that went from being dismissed as just another Chinese tech knockoff to becoming what industry insiders now call the most underestimated AI superpower on Earth. While everyone was arguing about teenagers dancing, ByteDance was building products that are literally redefining entire industries. And they did it so quietly that by the time the West woke up, they were already miles ahead. Let's start with the wake-up call that shook ByteDance to its core. In early 2024, CEO Liang Rubo stood before his employees and delivered a brutal assessment that would change everything. The company had been sluggish, he admitted. While ChatGPT was then exploding globally with 300 million weekly users, ByteDance's own flagship AI chatbot was crawling along with just 1.3 million daily users. They were losing badly and they knew it. Instead of panicking or making excuses, Liang declared war on mediocrity. He restructured their entire AI division and began what can only be described as the most aggressive AI development sprint in corporate history. They committed to building everything in-house. Large language models, image generators, video creators, the whole arsenal. The results were nothing short of extraordinary. The company now has 6 mind-blowing AI products that have resulted from ByteDance's turnaround. So what are they? Product number 1, Dubao. Dubao is ByteDance's main AI model, equivalent to ChatGPT. Today, it has 157 million monthly active users in China alone, unseating DeepSeek as the country's most popular generative AI app. But that's just the beginning of the story, because Dubao isn't just another ChatGPT clone. It's something far more sophisticated and terrifying for the competition. Unlike many Western chatbots that feel sterile and corporate, Dubao is like talking to a digital friend who happens to be incredibly smart. It offers personality-driven AI characters, integrates seamlessly with search, and works across every imaginable task. Users can chat naturally, generate images, create music, and even produce videos, all within the same interface. It's not just multimodal, it's multimedia in ways that make other AI assistants look primitive. And here's the part that should terrify every other tech company. ByteDance priced Dubao at just 11 cents per million tokens. That's 99.8% cheaper than OpenAI's pricing. They literally triggered a price war in China's AI market and won by making their competition economically unsustainable. When you can offer world-class AI at a fraction of the cost, you don't just compete, you dominate. Product number 2, Volcano Engine. Volcano Engine is ByteDance's cloud platform that's become the backbone powering other companies' AI ambitions. When Dubao launched for enterprise customers, daily token calls reached 12.7 trillion. That's over 100 times growth since launch. So they're not just serving consumers. They're becoming the invisible infrastructure that powers everyone else's AI dreams. In China, Volcano Engine holds 49% of the LLM public cloud market, ahead of both Alibaba Cloud and Baidu AI Cloud. Product number 3, Jimeng. Then there's Jimeng, which ByteDance internally calls the TikTok of the AI era. While everyone was focused on text-based chatbots, ByteDance saw the future. AI-generated content that flows like social media. Jimeng lets users create AI videos and images, then scroll through them in a vertical feed that's eerily similar to TikTok's addictive format. It's not just a tool, it's a platform designed to make AI creativity as viral and engaging as dance videos. Fittingly, Jimeng means immediate dream in Mandarin, and is China's answer to Google's VO3 or OpenAI's Sora. Product number 4, Coz. Coz is an AI development platform that lets anyone, regardless of programming experience, create, customize, and deploy AI agents. It's like having a democratized AI army where small businesses and individual creators can build sophisticated chatbots and deploy them across Discord, Telegram, WeChat, and dozens of other platforms. They're not just building AI, they're giving everyone the tools to build their own AI. Product number 5, Goth. Goth is ByteDance's AI homework app and has become the second most downloaded education app on iOS in the United States, right behind Duolingo. Students snap photos of math problems and get instant, step-by-step solutions across algebra, calculus, chemistry, and biology. They've made AI tutoring as simple as taking a picture, and they're serving over 200 million users. Product number 6, Ola Friend. While everyone else was building AI for screens, here comes an AI for your ears. Ola Friend's AI-powered earbuds lets users interact directly with their Dubao chatbot without touching a phone. Just say, Dubao, Dubao, and you can translate languages, practice English, get information, or control music. They've made AI ambient and invisible, turning everyday objects into AI interfaces for millions of consumers. The scale of ByteDance's AI ambition becomes clear when you look at their infrastructure spending. In 2025 alone, they're investing $12 billion in AI infrastructure. They are NVIDIA's largest Chinese customer, purchasing an estimated 230,000 GPUs in 2024. But they're not stopping there. They're co-designing custom AI processors with Broadcom, building 5-nanometer chips tailored specifically for their needs. This is the part of the story that should make every Western tech executive lose sleep. ByteDance isn't just building products. They're building the entire stack from custom chips to consumer apps. They're creating a vertically integrated AI ecosystem that could potentially operate independently of Western technology suppliers. It's a pretty crazy rise considering that the company had just 10 people researching large language models in 2022. What makes this even more remarkable is how they've managed to stay under the radar while systematically building an AI empire through stealth and execution. Of course, everyone's focus on TikTok makes it easy to ignore everything else ByteDance has developed. The implications for the global AI landscape are staggering. ByteDance has proven that you can build world-class AI models, create innovative consumer products, establish developer platforms, dominate education technology, and pioneer new hardware interfaces, all while operating primarily in markets that Western companies largely ignore or can't access. They've also demonstrated something that should worry every established tech company. AI success isn't just about having the best models, it's about having the best distribution, the most innovative applications, and the deepest integration into users' daily lives. ByteDance doesn't just make AI tools. They make AI experiences that people actually want to use. As we look toward the future, ByteDance represents something unprecedented in the AI race. It's reimagining what AI companies can be, simultaneously a consumer products company, an enterprise infrastructure provider, an education platform, a hardware manufacturer, and a research powerhouse. TikTok was just the beginning. ByteDance's real masterpiece is an AI ecosystem that most of the world hasn't even noticed yet. And by the time they do, it might already be too late to catch up. What do you think will happen? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more info on how AI is reshaping our world.